Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow participants to share screen in Google Meet. Okay, currently I'm doing a meeting, and now to allow other participants to share their screen, we need to click on the right corner on Host Controls. And now we need to make sure that Let Contributors Share Their Screen feature is enabled when you are in the host mode. Of course, if you want, you can turn it off, and it will also be available for everyone to share their screen. If you want to be in the host mode, you can also enable it and to let other people share their screen and make sure that this feature right in here is enabled. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.